Hi there little kids. Today I'll teach you how to draw a cute little snowman. So let's get started. We'll draw the snowman's head. Draw a nice circle. Now draw two big dots for the eyes. A small nose like a triangle. Its mouth. Now we'll draw his eyebrows. And cap. Watch how I'm drawing the cap. Now we'll draw his body as a circle. Okay, now we'll draw his scarf. You can draw designs in the scarf. I'm drawing some stripes. You can even draw dots or anything of your choice. Now we'll draw his hands. Just draw two straight lines. Okay. That's the snow. And we can draw some snow falling as little circles. Draw circles of different sizes, small and big. Okay, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.